Okay, now we can close the umbrella. What's this?
This is a pool.
I think
Guess what's this for?
it's like a small swimming pool.
Yes.
So
and
what's
help you when you enter into the pool, and it can help clean the dust under your shoes.
so this is the water. Is water.
Yes, water.
So we need to step on.
Yes, and clean the dust from under your shoes.
Okay. So this will make us not bring the dust into the injections also. Okay. What's this Chinese mean?
And this is air shower room.
Air shower room. What it is used for?
You stand in this small room.
You let me have a try.
No, you can.
Okay. Press here. Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
So guys, how is for? What is for?
Like fans, and the wind will blow me.
Yes, it's in this room can blow the dust from your body below before you enter into the workshop.
And I know because you do not like people enter the workshop bring the dust, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because our container is
Food grade, yes. Okay.
so it's no dust. It's our workshop, injection manufacturing workshop.
So
Number one and the number two is the low speed injection machine.
and I saw the machines there has number on it. So
And from 3 to 10, and it's high speed injection machine.
so high speed and low speed.
Yes.
So
Before that, I would like to take you to see our raw material mixing room.
raw material mixing room. That means before injection the products out, you need the raw material crushing.
The plastic package.
The raw material, I think, is that small pieces in the bag.
Yes, normally the brown plastic package.
Okay.
Yeah. I will show you.
Okay.
So have you ever been the pantry?
Yes. Injection. I know a little about the injection. So here, where we are working, where we are working to, the
This is our raw material. Our operator is working on the raw material.
yes. Yes.
Raw material. For this copper, it's a clear color. Yeah. And if you like the container to be colorful, and we also can add colorant. See? It's orange
Yes.
color.
That's
Yeah.
the raw material has color, orange.
We can mix the raw material, clear raw material with the colorant. The color you like.
Yes, I understand.
Mix it together.
Yes. So before injection the products, we need mix raw material, right? Like in this room.
Yes, it's the first step.
This is the first step.
Yes.
We mean pre-production step process.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
I will take you to see how the machine runs to make the container.
Okay. That's interesting.
Yes.
So maybe you can introduce for me how the machine works. From raw materials inside to the finished products out.
Okay. We can take one machine for example.
So which one? Which one you would like to introduce for me first?
Okay. See? This is the orange color. We see that.
Yeah, yes, I saw the orange material, raw materials in the crushing room.
Yeah. Okay, let's find how
Yeah.
the machine runs to make the container.
Okay, please show me and introduce.
You see this bucket? This is the raw material from.
Yes.
And you transfer from this tube. You go inside to the hopper.
The hopper is hot.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is the temperature is high, right?
Yes, yes. And the plastic pellets go through the spool
So there is
by rotating and pressure. And yeah, and
so the raw materials after melt the raw materials uh, is injection.
yes. And this is the moving part. This is the moving part. Okay?
Yes,
The moving part.
yes, I saw the mold.
The high temperature and the pressure, and then the melt raw material inject in and fill in the moving.
I saw the mold is separate and then together and then separate and then together.
Yes, yes, yes.
The two half,
Yes.
two half parts.
And then finally, the push out by the electric beam.
Yes, I saw the.
And then finally take out by the manipulator. Okay,
I saw um, half most is fixed and it is not movable, but the other part is movable.
it takes some seconds to cooling down,
So
and then take out by the manipulator.
so after inject the hot materials inside the mold and then after it forming, I mean foaming and then mix the water to make it form.
Also have the cooling system,
Okay.
and then take out by the manipulator.
Yes.
This one is the two cavities.
Two cavities. Yes. How many how many pieces? How many? I mean daily output. How many you can make for one day?
If one machine runs day and night, and with two cavities,
Two
we
cavities.
can produce around about 20,000 pieces.
20,000.
Yes.
But
If you use the four cavities, then the production
oh,
output will double.
will be double, right? Yes.
But sure,
So
the
how?
more cavities, the more
So you know. So,
moving cost.
yes. So you see, and the mall is open and close. So how many? I feel that it is just a second, a few seconds.
Normally, for the high-speed injection machine, it takes around the average 7 seconds.
7 seconds.
Yeah, 7 seconds.
Okay.
Per move.
So here is the conveyor.
Yes. Then here, our QA colleague will check the quality.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, if it's okay, then the worker will pack the container into the carton.
Yes. So each stack, the quantity is fixed.
We can set up.
You you can set up
Yeah, we can set up.
like that.
Yeah. For example, some customers need 25 pieces. Some customers would like 50 pieces.
Yes.
Instead. And we can set up.
So the machine can set up to stack a fixed quantity, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's good.
And this is
Because we need to make sure one stack is correct quantity.
yes, no problem.
Okay.
Okay.
So I saw on the floor there is the yellow line. So I saw this machine are very good, arranged in good orders.
After producing, and this is 10 over area for semi
Products.
product.
Yes. So,
That's
so
the high speed injection machine.
yes.
And we still have the low speed injection machine.
So the working
Actually, the
working
same procedure. Same procedure. And just the difference is the forming time is different.
Foaming time.
Yes, for the high speed, normally average is 7 seconds, and for the
when-
low injection machine, it's around 35 average, 35 seconds.
So when you mean high speed and low speed, and do you mean that the mold open and close, the time gap,
Yes,
the time
yes,
gap is
yes.
different, right?
Yes, yes.
So for the high speed, you mean, for example, right now we saw the two cavity uh, high speed injection machines. So you said the time gap from one open and one close.
Yes.
You
It's around
seven. Yes, including the cooling system. It's 7 seconds. So for the lower,
it's around 30 average 35 seconds per mole.
but can you tell me why it needs more time?
Because for high speed molding, high speed injection machine, will normally produce the disposable items, and it's simple.
Thin, right?
Thin.
Yeah.
And for the low speed,
Yes.
we usually produce the container with the thickness.
Yes.
Yes, so the cooling time is longer.
It's longer, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that means the daily output is different, right?
Yes, sure.
And the products value would be different. For the low speed, the products make out will be is more expensive
Yes,
than the high speed. Because but can you tell me what products the low speed injection machine make? Like the food storage?
Yeah, storage. Like the food storage, the plastic food storage container, we put in the injection silicone inside the lid.
The food storage
Food storage
container.
Yeah, normally we produce by the low speed injection.
So on the market, we know the food storage container and the hard gift box. The thickness is more, is bigger.
Yes.
So they are reusable, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And
So
for the high speed, we normally produce the disposable food container.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I saw the
This is the
workshop office.
Yeah.
A small office that
Yes.
making the record of every day's production
Yes.
details.
So after you faced our injection workshop, do you have any questions?
Yes. I I'm more concerning about the daily output.
Don't worry, because if the production, the demand is very big, and you can consider to open the molding with 4 cavity, 6 cavity, or even more cavities, and then output
Yes,
will be much.
I understand. So if
Thank you.
thank you.
Guys, hello guys, before they come to another workshop, I want to stop. Also, we need to adjust some device. And you can take a break. Yeah, you can take a break.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
哎，不是做一张朋友，OK，搞这个。
你等一会儿又过来解释一下，然后你说，突然
开始。
就是那个声音比较小，我的声音比较小，我的声音比较小。莹姐他们都在看，她说你的声音好小。我这次刚刚在车间，拿在手里面，很小吗？
Hi guys, cause some accident happened just now, so we cannot expect to. We can export some other parts, factories first, and then finally we will go to the ship manufacturing workshops. Yeah, so we can export some other workshop and office with our customer areas firstly, and Jessie will continue to introduce them.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, now you like to show me and lead me to the packing area. That means
okay.
after the semi-products injection out,
Okay,
and
so
then we need to pack, right?
yes. So now I will take you to our packing line.
Packing line.
Yes.
So, which floor we need to go upstairs?
It's on the first floor.
And okay, fourth floor. Okay.
So do you have any other questions
Um,
about our workshop, injection workshop?
Yes, I have a very clear understanding about the injection machines for the lower speed and for the higher speed, and I know that very clear how the products will be made out. But the most I would like to concern is the stable, because for the disposable products the demand sometimes is very urgent, and for the restaurants, for the hotels, for the takeaway food shops, shopping mall, for these areas they need the products very stable, and the supply chain is very stable.
Yes, yes.
So shipment machines and the most all needs to be under stable condition, right?
Yes. Okay, this is the third floor. We almost done. Okay, here we
Now we reach the packing line, packing floor.
Yes, it's the fourth floor.
Okay, so
Assembling.
assembling also.
Usually, how is the packing your request?
Actually, for the disposable products, many customers would like the supermarket packing.
Oh,
No.
supermarket.
Yes. Oh,
It's working on the supermarket
now
packing.
packing line is the supermarket package, right?
Yes, let me see how many pieces. This is
Five pieces.
Yeah, 6 pieces for 500 ml. Sure, we can. Let's go to say the auto. We have our strength. Our strength is for the.
And so the workers are very professional because they wear the gloves and wear the cap.
Yes, because we have already do the food container to overseas for many years.
Yes.
Yes.
Quality
is the first.
Yes, this is for food, for takeaway.
Yes.
So you will be full touch with food. So it is terrible that if you leave a fingerprint, on just a hairs inside, that's terrible because customer when they show that they feel terrible and unclean.
Yes. So our workers must wear
The cap.
cap.
Do not let the hairs.
Air happen in the container.
And the gloves do not leave any fingerprint on the food containers.
So first, the workers will count the red pieces for the container and the red pieces for the lid.
Yes.
And then someone to sample it, and someone to put the color sticker.
Yes.
Yeah.
The top sticker.
Yes. And they use the plastic tape to fix the sticker.
When they finish pack, where is the products?
This is our automatic packing machine.
We are now on the back. We need to walk into the front, and we see clear how this pack, how this ring.
Yes.
And
we go to the channel, and the cutter will cut one by one. See, this is the automatic.
So the machine will count.
Yeah. And finally, they go to the shrinking room.
Yes, I feel the heat. Here is the heating system, right?
Yes, but not very high. The temperature can not very high and not very low.
And just can make the film shrink.
Yes.
When they,
Okay.
yes. So I can still feel some heat.
Yes. And finally, the workers will pick up the containers with good quality, and if it's good quality, and they will pack in
The cartons.
Yes.
And he will check the shrink film pack.
Yes.
Yes.
So we check one by one.
And then if
to make sure the quality is good and no hole.
Yes. And then pack in the cartons.
Yes.
So the yellow line arrangement still also the turnover area.
Yes, sure.
It is very clean and tidy.
Yes, sure. And for except this packing, we also can do other packing after as per customer request.
You mean now it packs 5 pieces, and then you can pack 6, 8, even more.
Multi pieces like 15 pieces.
Yes. I think the supermarket package is good because it is for the terminal sales side. I mean retail. So that would be
the demand is very big.
Yes, it would be much better because this can be for consumer, not just for wholesaler. You know. So if this is for this are shown in the supermarkets, it is very good for consumer to take because consumer do not need much, right? Yeah, I think this packing line is so good.
And for some losing packing, like no need the sticker, just the losing packing.
Loose pack.
Like 15 pieces in one bag, and then we can do in the workshop.
Yes. That's for wholesale market. Yes. That's for wholesale market. Yes, but this kind of package is for retail side. For retail side, it is good. Okay, so now we finish.
This is one of our packing line.
One of the packing line.
Yes.
And now we finish, right?
Now I will take you to see the warehouse.
Warehouse.
For our raw material and finished goods.
That means after the finish shrink pack and then put inside the cartons, and when the cartons pack and
transfer to the warehouse,
you will be take it down to the warehouse.
Yes.
Okay.
We have so many warehouses, and we separate the finished goods for overseas and domestic market.
That means your warehouse separate two kinds. One is for the domestic market, and one is for foreign markets.
Yes.
Okay. So now you will lead me to the warehouse.
I'll take you on the second floor.
Second floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
To show the domestic market.
Okay, so that we can show. We have a look at the warehouse. Bye. 应该走我们前面。
办公室的楼去一下，要不办公室也去一下。我觉得办公室也去一下的，办公室去一下，简单说一下。
OK。
让他们知道这里有。
But before that, I will take you to our office. Have a look.
Okay. So here is the third floor.
Yes, third floor for office. Okay, this is our office.
Okay. Oh yes, it is good. It has the air conditioning.
Yes.
So here is the front desk.
Yes.
Reception desk.
Yes, this is Johnny, our clerk. Hi.
Hi.
And this is our HR department. HR department.
Yes, I know.
And this is for design. And this is sales team for overseas.
Okay. Where is the line?
Here. Yeah. This is the call from the domestic market.
Domestic market.
Salesman.
And the foreign trade team. I mean the foreign sales.
Here. This is overseas.
Hello.
Helen, my colleague.
Hello, Helen.
And this room is for financial team.
Financial.
Yes.
Financial department. Yeah. This is for money, so
Yes,
it is sensitive.
Okay.
Maybe some secret. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah, the administration office seems a little big, and the meeting room, right?
meeting room.
Meeting room.
Okay, let's go to the second floor to see the warehouse for the finished goods.
Okay. Now, we will have a look at the warehouse. So, can you tell me the warehouse is for right now? You just say that the warehouse is some area is for the domestic sales team, and another is for the foreign sales team.
Yes. We have a big team for sales.
Big team for sales.
Okay. Turn on the lights. Do you know where the This is one of our warehouse to storage the finished goods. This is for domestic market.
For domestic market,
Yeah.
showing
our logo, Gepai.
yes.
Yeah.
And I show I show the same on the floor. There is some red line, and like this, there is a mark.
Yes. Area.
On the floor. So, what's this use? Why mark the numbers or the letters on the floor, and why to draw the lines?
Because we have the certain area to storage the certain customer.
Yes.
Yes, and we keep in record in our system. And if the customer need to load the goods, then we can check the system and to easily to find out where the stand to put.
So that means this area with the line, with the numbers, with the letters on the floor, that means you already have well arranged in the system for putting the customer's goods correspondent.
Yes. And
that's good. So that means the workers can take the goods very quickly. They know
more
where.
efficiency.
Yes.
More efficiency.
Yes. And can load the goods more faster.
Yes. And for the same dimension, for the carton dimension, same dimension, and we have the fixed carton numbers for each pallet.
For example, for this stack, for one pallet, how many fixed quantity you normally arrange in one pallet?
Let me calculate. For one layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28 per pallet.
Yes, so this is for domestic market.
Yes.
A fixed quantity.
Then
yes.
we can count before we're loading. We can count the carton numbers very quickly.
Yes, I think this.
And make sure the carton is accuracy.
This is very very good and efficient management for shipment. I mean, because as you know, customer will be very concerned about if the quantity is correct for load their goods, right? For loading their goods, and they also need fast shipment because sometimes for the domestic market, maybe customer when they urgent demand, they will, I need the goods loading 1 hour or 2 hours. You need to load and then arrange the truck or arrange the cars to drive them away as soon as possible. So
yes, even though
they don't need much time to count.
Yes, even though when we're loading, we'll count we'll count the carton number one by one. I mean, for each pallet, make sure all is correct.
That means double check.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So this is just the one of our warehouse. Then let's go downstairs to visit the forming manufacturing workshop.
I think it is very very good that your warehouse is well arranged the area for putting customers' goods and correspondent customers, correspondent books. So some factories will put all the goods in mass. So sometimes they will ship the wrong goods for customers. That's the problem. Sometimes the customers need goods very urgent, and you ship the wrong goods to them.
Yes,
they were very angry.
Yes. So in this way, and no customer complain the carton number is wrong.
Yes. So when shipment, you need the first correct quantity.
Yes.
And second, you will not take the wrong goods, right? Because workers don't know where customers. They just get the orders from the administrative team, right? So they just know where area, which number, which letter mark on the floor, right? So they want what?
Yes. So I'm not sure if you still remember the automatic packing machine.
Yes.
That's say on the first floor. Yeah, I think in this way, it's more efficiency and save a lot of figures and costing.
Yes.
And this is one of the strengths of our factory.
Hi.
Do you have know more about our factory and company?
Yes. So now Jesse will show me.
Yes. Now I will.
Warehouse.
Now I will take Eric to visit our forming manufacturing workshop.
Yeah. And I see maybe you can take a break, and I can use this camera to explore more detail and more views and more other views in our factory.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful.
You can take a break.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I want to say again.
Yeah.
You be our big customer. I totally
I believe I can be.
Yeah. Guys, I will explore our factories and use the camera to record more detail of our factories. And this time, our customer areas and our colleagues just will take a break, but they will come back later. Yeah, guys.还没开起来。乱的要死，不要嘛，还很臭，人家隔着屏幕都闻得到。先歇一下吧。
我们就接上模具嘛。可以，可以接到什么呢？
你要确定是自来水，不要确定是地沟水。
来布嘛，那个模具。我拿手里。
OK。
Hi, Eric.
Hi. So, where it is?
Molding showroom.
Molding.
Yes.
For storage the mold.
Yes. And here we storage the morphoming molding and also the injection molding.
So you just let me know.
Yeah,
You have.
this and this all injection molding.
For injection machines.
Yes, because as you just saw in our workshop.
Yes, right now you show me on the in the injection workshop. So now,
This is the molding for injection.
so right now we show a mold open and close and open and close. It is this mold.
Yes. And we have the mold number for each molding.
Oh, that means you also have a checking number for the mold.
Yes.
So
this keep the record in our system. So if you would like to produce this item and our relevant workers in engineer can find it easily.
yes, so as I know, some molds after punching for a period, you need to update. You need to repair.
Yes. We have the detailed record for each molding.
So
Yeah.
so that you have the details record.
We will check and maintain the molding every week.
Every week?
Yes, normally twice per week.
Yes, because you need to keep the mold under good condition because that means stable production.
Yes.
And stable production means stable shipment.
We also make a record for how many pounds you can produce.
Yes, so customer would very worry about and very concerned about the mold condition, right? Because the products would be made out from this, from molds, right?
Yes.
And also the machine. But sometimes we know the molds would be broken easily. But for machines, it is more stable, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So
and the material is steel.
The material is steel.
It's very strong.
Yes, so I saw the machines punch and punch is make a big sound. When they close together, the sound would be after they bump and collapse. The sound is big.
Yes.
So this material would be very strong. I mean, very strong steel.
Absolutely. Okay, here are all the injection molding. And now I will take you to see the thermoforming molding.
The thermoforming?
Yes. This is our new molding.
Oh, this is new, but
just finished making the new.
But
molding.
it looks different from the injection mold.
Yes, this molding made by aluminium.
Different materials.
Yes, different materials.
But for the injection mold, I do not see this.
This is a drawing head.
Drawing head.
Yes,
drawing head.
And this is the normally it's come by two parts, and one is drawing head, and the one is cavity mold.
Cavity mold.
Yes.
This is the base.
Yes.
And this is the upper part.
Yes.
Of the mold.
Correct.
And I think after we show this, after we seeing this, right, you need to show me how this set up in the machines and the thermoforming out the product.
Sure. And this is the lid to match this.
The lid. The lid. Yes. I think it is not that stronger as the injection mold because it is aluminum. So
and these
here,
are all the thermoforming mold.
The car making mold.
Also have the.
So these also I mean the workers or the technicians also update these molds.
Yes,
and
the same. Yes.
check these molds and if they are under good condition.
Yes, it's the same as per the injection mold.
Same as.
Yes.
Okay, so this I think it is very good because all the molds are arranged in good order and there is a checking number, and then you can check well about how what under the status of the mold. I mean, if it is good or if, how many punch it already makes.
Yes, makes.
Yes. Okay, that's good. That's good. And the injection and the thermoforming molds are storage separately, not just a mess. Not just a mess and in not good orders.
Yeah, it's separate.
Separate.
Separate. This is, as you say,
Yes.
these are all injection molding.
So I think this arrangement is good. You manage the molds well.
Yes.
So which is our next station?
Next station and the final station is
The final station.
Is the morphoming manufacturing workshop.
So
First, before
you just show me the cavity mold. Can be cavity mold and drawing had the thermoforming mold. So now you will show me how this mold working, right?
Yes. And before entering into the workshop, and we'll see the map. Only.
Okay.
See?
Here is the area arrangement for the sheet workshop, right? Okay.
See, here is the entrance of the workshop.
That means we stand face
Stand
to the
here.
door.
Yes. And this is the entrance of the workshop, and then this is the sheet area. It's a turnover area. Turnover area is meaning to storage the PP sheet with
PP
the
sheet.
sheet machine produced.
So it is not just like the injection machines and can inject from raw material directly to finished products. Before that, it needs another process to make the sheet. Okay.
And we have two machines to produce the PP sheet. Yeah, and then here we have the 3 cup making machine, 1, 2, 3, and also have 2 multi-station forming machine.
Yes, please.
Also the pen area.
Okay.